Okay, here we are. It's December 11th, 2010, and I think this is the second biggest snowfall we've ever had. And there's a stick in the backyard. We're going to zoom in on it, and you can read that it is at 17 inches of snow, and that's in maybe about 20 hours, 17 inches of snow. The snow just stopped, and it's up to my knees, at least up to my knees, and we got some really bad drifting, and it's going to get worse overnight because the wind is starting to pick up. And I'm going to, believe it or not, try and do some snowblowing.